In my this video I will discuss how to change the voice, means how to change from active to passive or from passive to active. So welcome to GT EduHub again, students. So my first sentence is, all his friends laughed at him, and we have to begin the sentence he was. So this is the object, इसे हम subject बनाएंगे. So we will write he laughed. Laughed will be changed to he was laughed. So he was laughed at by all his friends. So how the transformation occurred? This was subject, this was object and this was verb. तो जब इसे चेंज करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज़ इन पास्ट टेंस, सो यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, इट विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट. सो ही, क्योंकि पास्ट टेंस है, वी विल यूज़ वॉज और वर. ही के साथ वी यूज़ वॉज. सो ही वॉज लाफ्ड एट बाय ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स. तो कुछ ऐसी वर्ब्स होती हैं जिनके साथ उनके इम्प्लाइड प्रेपोजिशंस हम हमेशा यूज़ करते हैं. लाफ के साथ एट है, वी विल नॉट रिमूव दिस, स्टूडेंट्स. सो सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज, circumstances will oblige me to go, and we have to begin with I shall. In this sentence, this is our subject, this is verb and this is object, and these are extra words which we will write as it is. So we will start from here. I shall, we use be. When we change it to passive, we use be. So I shall be. Then we will use third form of verb, that is obliged. So I shall be obliged to go, full stop. By circumstances we can omit, no need to write. So this is an imperative sentence, so no need to write by circumstances. So the correct sentence will become, I shall become be. I shall be obliged to go. So this was our second sentence. Now third sentence is, the young soldier was brought before the king. Begin the king. So in this sentence we have to begin with king, so we will write it like this. The king ordered the young soldier, the king ordered the young soldier to be brought before him. Was brought को we will change to be brought, to be brought before him. So इस तरह से हम इस एक्टिव सेंटेंस को इन पैसिव वॉइस चेंज करेंगे. Now we will do sentence number 4. Fourth sentence is, they are serving snacks in the garden and we have to begin with tea. So this is subject, this is verb and this is object, and these are extra words. We will write, we have to write here snacks. Begin with snacks. So we will write snacks are serving को रिप्लेस करेंगे are being served. We will use being, क्योंकि ये present continuous tense है. We will add being plus verbs third form. So snacks are being served in the garden by, they की जगह we will write them. So snacks are being served in the garden by them. Next sentence, fifth sentence is, entered by the right door and you have to begin with you are. So we will start from this. This is the subject was missing, so we will start from this. So we will write, you are requested, you are requested to enter by the right door. You are requested to enter by the right door. So if subject is missing, you have to write it of your own. So you can write you are or you can write he is requested. Okay, option is, choice is yours. Now we will do sixth sentence. So sixth sentence is, the English expected to defeat French and we have to begin it was. तो तो इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस में स्टूडेंट्स वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इट वॉज एंड वी विल राइट इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड बाय द इंग्लिश, इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड बाय द इंग्लिश। ये जो फर्स्ट फ्रेज था सेंटेंस का, इसे हमने चेंज किया, द इंग्लिश एक्सपेक्टेड को वी हैव चेंज इट इनटू इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड बाय द इंग्लिश। टू की जगह वी विल ऐड दैट defeat French, we will replace it by that they would defeat French. So it was expected by English that they would defeat French, कि English people जो expect कर रहे थे कि वो French army को defeat कर देंगे। Seventh sentence is they will help us with money and we have to begin with we shall. So this is subject, this is verb and this is object and these are extra words. So we will start from here. We will write we shall. Will help will change to shall be helped. We will use be or verb की third form. So we shall be helped with money by them. दे को चेंज कर देंगे them. So we shall be helped with money by them. Now we will do sentence number 8. Eighth sentence is we will finish the assignment in 3 days and we have to begin the sentence with the assignment. So this is subject, this is verb and this is object. So we will write the assignment. विल फिनिश को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे विल बी फिनिश्ड में. सो द असाइनमेंट विल बी फिनिश्ड बाय अस. वी को कन्वर्ट करेंगे अस में. सो द असाइनमेंट विल बी फिनिश्ड बाय अस इन 3 days. एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स एज इट इज़ ऐड कर देंगे. सो द असाइनमेंट विल बी फिनिश्ड बाय अस इन 3 days. Sentence number 9. He is taking too much for granted and we have to begin with too much. So this is subject, this is verb and too much is object. So यहाँ से start करेंगे. We will write too much. Is taking will be converted into is being taken. So too much is being taken for granted by and he की जगह we will write him. So transformation will proceed as follows. Too much is being taken for granted by him. Now we will do last sentence. Sentence number 10. Riya was writing a letter to her father. So subject is this is verb and this is object. So we have to change the voice. So transformation will be like this. We will start from a letter. So a letter, was writing को change करेंगे was being written, being and plus verb's third form. So a letter was being written by Riya to her father. So that's all for this video, students. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more updates.